Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. We got a quick mail call to do. I know where this came from. I actually had to hide it for a day because it got here yesterday. And it's my baby doll's 61st birthday. And this is a package, a birthday package from Man Mountain Link. So come on. Come on.
I'm so excited.
So she is going to open her package from Man Mountain Link.
I need a...
I got it. I got it. Here you go. You can have my knife.
Oh, I'm so
There's
excited.
my knife. I have no idea what he sent. He just told me he was sending a birthday package.
Such a sweetheart. Are you ready? I hope I don't cut myself. Oh,
Be
my
careful.
glasses on.
Be careful.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, I better do it this way first, huh?
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah,
That
I'm
knife
not
is
good
sharp.
with knives. Yeah, I'm not good with knives. Can't believe
You're not good with. She's good with guns. She's not good with knives.
Trusting me.
Well, it's your birthday package. I'm not going to open your birthday package. I know you thought it was mine. That's why you left it alone.
I didn't even look. I didn't even see.
I just know
he assumed it was.
he told me birthday package was on the way, so that's how I know.
Aw. Man Mountain Link, you're a stinker.
So now,
Got it, and I didn't even cut myself.
yeah, you'll have to close that knife though. You don't got to do it now. No, it won't close like that. I'll have to show you.
Not attempt that. Yeah.
Well, you still got to close it. You opened it. Alrighty. Last year she got jelly. She got homemade jelly.
And it's gone.
Yeah.
It's gone. Aw, the kitten. Man after my own heart. Great news. A full CAT scan reveals you're as young as ever. Aw. Happy birthday. I don't have my glasses on. Last you was I'm not gonna either let you read it or give my glasses one.
It says, great news.
Sorry.
A full CAT scan reveals you're young as ever. Happy birthday. Last year was a rough one. Have a drink on me. We've already started, Man Mountain Link. Thank you, brother.
To say the least.
Yes, we have already started.
Yeah.
We actually started celebrating kind of yesterday.
Yeah.
For the first time in...
It should be ongoing for a week. That's
yeah, but...
Like, I should have got a present every day for a week.
Okay, well, now you can sue me. All right, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, she got roses twice.
Let's get a rose and a card in his truck that he sneaky and says, hey, would you go out in my truck and get something for me? And I fall for it every time. Oh, I love these. Oh,
little spheres.
Gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. I see you.
I think you got a bunch of glass. Wow, a bunch of little spheres. The little stands.
Yeah. You don't have to have a table, but.
Set them over there on the couch. That's a little cat's eye sphere.
Pretty.
These will go probably all above your desk, huh, on your shelf?
Yep. Absolutely. Oh my God, there's a bunch.
You're going to just lay them out, put them back in the box. There's probably all different colors if I know him.
They are. They're beautiful. Oh my goodness.
You're going to be the sphere queen.
I am the queen. At least for today, I'm the queen.
Yes, for today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, remember who's king
I know,
again.
you have to go back to being boss tomorrow.
Yeah. Green.
Beautiful.
Another cat's eye.
these in here. Put them back.
Where do you find all this stuff,
I
guy?
know,
I
right?
mean,
Look at that. It's pretty.
green, emerald green. You know what that reminds me of? Remember them things on the string, the clackers? They used to call them
Yes,
clackers
clackers.
when we were kids.
Yeah, I think they
Yeah, they.
got rid of those.
Well, I think they outlawed them because I think they
Right.
said they were dangerous or
And they
something.
would be really dangerous today with the way things are today.
Another green one.
Hey, that looks cool. I can see the fan spinning.
How many you got in
Can you
there?
see that? Can you see
No, I can't see it from where you are. Oh my God, you're gonna.
Tons.
Oh, they're all tons and tons and tons of little spheres and stands.
It's crazy.
Oh, it'll take a week to open all those. What's in this? See what's in this. This looks different. Okay, I see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
one's
8.
heavy.
Wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
8,
Got it?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 16, about 20 spheres.
Oh my gosh. Man, Mountain Link.
Hey, we use them for shooter marbles. We can play marbles.
I used to love marbles. What in the world is this?
I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't be
Is this
showing.
moonshine?
Maybe we shouldn't be
Is that
showing that. Thank you.
Oh my God. I can't even. Is it? It's not.
I don't
It's
know.
not water.
We'll open it up. Why would he send you a jar of water?
I can't. It's sealed. I have to take a drink if it is so I can make the face.
Careful, careful.
I have to make the face. I think I got it. Oh my God.
Careful.
Well, I'm 61 and old and apparently can't open jars anymore.
Okay, let me pause for a second so I can open this.
Because I'm so trying not to laugh.
Oh boy, is that ever
Dino-
moonshine.
Because Dino just took, or just smelled it and then took a tiny little sip. So I'm scared.
It's actually good.
I have no doubt.
It's actually really good.
Okay, guys, you're fixing to see me make a face.
No, it ain't that. It's good. It's smooth.
Okay.
Just take a little
It
sip.
doesn't matter. Moonshine makes me make a face. Okay.
All right, here you go.
Happy birthday to
Happy
me.
birthday to you.
Woo. Whoa. It smells good though.
Don't spill it. Don't spill it.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, hey,
Oh, that's good.
no offense, everybody, but you see all them little things? You gotta have balls to drink that stuff.
Hey, I'm no longer cold.
Well, happy
You
birthday,
did your
doll.
job, Man
And I'm
Mountain.
saying happy birthday from Man Mountain Link to you because he told me you had a birthday package coming.
Oh, that was
And this
so,
is it.
You are so awesome. I love you so much. Thank you. Oh my God.
Now come on out. Come on, come on. We gotta go have a shot of this.
Okay. A shot.
Woo.
I just had a shot and it's still burning.
Happy
Oh.
birthday, doll.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, everybody. Thank you. Man Mountain Link, you rock. One day we're going to the Grand Casino.
Casino. So you already had too many shots of that moonshine.
No, I didn't pronounce it. I can't pronounce it right. One day we're going to the Grand.
999 fine silver. She got that out of the bottom of the box. He's always got something in the bottom of the box.
And one day we're going to the Grand Casino.
And there it is. Great balls of fire. Happy birthday, doll.
Thank you.
Okay. You
Thank
ready?
you, Man Mountain Link.
You ready?
So precious.
You ready?
Yep.
Woo! We'll see you guys in the next video, maybe.